to refresh quickly ferrous alloys and non-ferrous alloys. Ferrous alloys is because the main component is iron, no? And all the ferrous alloys are allowed in the marine industry, in marine applications? Nope. For example, what type of ferrous alloys are not good?
Cast iron.
Cast iron. Why?
Highly corrosive. Super corrosive.
Because it's highly corrosive, because the content of carbon is more than 2%. It's too much carbon. It's not good. In marine application, we have a little amount of components fabricated in cast iron. Except in inboard gasoline, the risers, the manifolds are in cast iron. This is why they are corroded easily. No? But you need to avoid cast iron in a boat. What type of steels are accepted? Stainless steel, and in general steels with low level of carbon, no? But the most famous are stainless steel 304 and 316, no? They are perfect marine grade stainless steel. How you know that those alloys 304 and 316 are excellent?
They have no magnetic properties.
It's not magnetic. Oh, okay. If they are non-magnetic, it's because they have high content of what? Chromium. How much is the percentage of chromium in those alloys?
18.
Around 18, 16, 18%. It's a lot of chromium, no? And those alloys 304 and 316 are corrosive?
No, because it's nickel.
Practically nothing, because the amount of nickel. How much is the percentage of nickel?
10% max.
Correct. No more than 10%. In between 4 and 10%. Okay. With chromium, I inhibit magnetic properties. With nickel, I inhibit corrosive properties. That's magic, no? And there are other ingredients to improve malleability, to improve like a vanadium, like a titanium, but in general, those series 304 and 316, they are perfect marine grade stainless steel. What is the other name for a 304? 18A. 18% of chromium and 8% of nickel. Or 316, 1810, 18% of chromium, 10% of nickel. Both of them, no? Perfect. When you have a stainless steel, the stainless steel is shiny, no? When it's nice. What happens if you sanded that surface, that film?
Takes away the corrosive property.
That film is oxide of chromium. If you remove the oxide of chromium, start the process of
corrosion.
Oxidation. No? Never sanded. Okay, those are ferrous alloys. Non-ferrous alloys. Alloys based in a different metal, different than iron. Then what is the main ingredients in non-ferrous alloys?
Aluminum.
Copper. Copper number 1. And copper mixed with aluminum and nickel. Those three are the kings. Okay? For example, we have a nibral. It's nickel, bronze, aluminum, beryllium copper alloys. All of those. Molmax is famous. Silicon bronze alloys, Tobin bronze, naval bronze, and those series of silicon bronze. Nickel copper alloys. All of those series of nickel copper included Monel 400 and Monel 500 for the shaft of the propeller. Excellent non-ferrous alloys. Aluminum alloys, the majority of the series 6000 are marine grade. And those series 5052 and 5086 are excellent in marine application. The rest, no. It's in aluminum, that tower, but it's not marine grade. This is why it's completely oxidized. It's not marine grade. Not all the aluminums are excellent in marine applications. Should be marine grade aluminum.